everyone, it's Ines from How Ines Rolls, and it's really, really early, like 6 o'clock in the morning, and there are people still sleeping, so I'm trying to use my quiet voice, but I thought I'd take you along on our day. So today I'm showing you a day in the life. So exciting, but I thought it'd be fun, so let's go. We're on our way to take Paul to work because my car's in the shop. So I have lots of places to get to today. So first off will be to take Paul to work. But we have some sick kids. It's either allergies or sick. Let me know in the comments if you guys get sick in the summer, which is such a bummer. But there, can you hear coughing? That's probably one of the reasons why a couple of these kids are up really early, is because they didn't sleep well, and neither did their mom. So I've been up for a very long time, unfortunately, so I see a morning nap happening in my future. So let's go. This week has been extra busy because I have a son that's going to band camp, so I'm not getting much done as in cleaning in the house this week, it feels like, but I'll just take you along and show you what I am getting done. So it's 6:15, oh no, 6:30, and it's supposed to be 102 degrees in the Vegas Valley. Well, after dropping off Paul, I knew I needed already a little power nap. So I was able to get in about 30 minutes. And now I'm leaving in another 30 minutes. So I just came upstairs. I got laundry to sort and put away and a bed to make. So let's get going on that. Didn't get everything put away, like my clothes, but it's time to go take the other one to band camp. So back in the car I go. Putting his instrument in the car, and where are we going?
Band camp.
Band camp. So it's just this week from like 9 to 12. And what instrument do you play?
The bassoon.
The bassoon. He's really good at it too. All right, let's go. Car trip number 2. Woo, woo, Mama's job is never done. So I'm making a lunch now that we are back home. I dropped off Jonas. He'll be done in about a couple hours or so. So I'm just making a lunch because I think I'm gonna take him to the sprinkler park. I mean, it's like 102 degrees and it's supposed to be windy, so it'll be like this lovely blow dryer effect. What better way to do to enjoy this weather as to go get wet at the park? So let me know in the comments if your parks have sprinkler pads. There's the one that I'm going to take the kids. It's kind of elaborate. It's really close by my house. So we just love going there in the summertime. So gotta have our picnic ready. Since I'm making lunch to go to the park, I might as well make a little bit of dinner since I'm going to be traveling back and forth. So tonight for dinner, we're doing like the Philly cheesesteak egg rolls minus the egg rolls, because I'm gonna just fry up some potatoes and put this meat on top with some butter melted on top. I can't wait. So I'm just gonna get this going and just kind of saute this up. These are just the bell peppers. I'm gonna add a little garlic. It's already got some butter. And then we're gonna put minced onion. And I have my lunch roast beef here. So easy. I'll make sure to add the video on how to make the egg rolls if you haven't seen it. So let me get this going. There it is, friends. Dinner is ready. I'm just gonna put it in our glass bowl and just keep it in the fridge, because all I have to do now is pretty much just chop and fry potatoes, and then I'll put them on a baking sheet and put this on top with cheese, and it will be delicious. So one little thing about me and our family is we love to use as many glass storage containers as possible, just because I'm just not a fan of plastic, and really plastic can leach into our foods. As much as I know we know about BPAs and things like that, I'm just trying to be on the safer side. So glass it is as much as I can. I am not perfect, but if I have the glass bowl to store, I will totally do it. So let me know how you store things and if there's a reason why. I'm like all about, you know, trying to do the little things. I don't have like an agenda. I just kind of think of our family and our health, but I also want to, you know, recycle here and there because I think it is our responsibility as humans, right? So let me know in the comments if you store in glass or if you reuse bottles and the stainless steel cups that I see all around. They're awesome. So now I just got to grate cheese and then be done talking about the earth for a minute. So I have everything ready right here. I have my frying area. I have my baking sheet, and right behind me in that bowl is the meat. So we're ready to rock and roll. I got potatoes washed to make dinner because I have to go get Jonas now, and we're going straight to the park, and then I'm pretty much just going boom, boom, picking up everybody with work schedules, and then we're coming home and it's gonna be dinner time. This will help tremendous. I'm not always on the ball like this, but today it seemed easier to do it. So let's go get Jonas. So now I'm in the car for the third time, and I will tell you how much I've been in the car time-wise the next time I'm in the car to get the kids to work and pick up Paul. But we're now at the park. Kids cannot wait. We're gonna have some lunch, and I think we might have some friends join us. So that'll be super fun. So let me show you this awesome park. So fun. Look at all those fun things to do. You get wet. And there's, look, some shade. We can sit under the trees. Can't wait. Aw, look at them. Ought to be a kid and running around. How's it going getting wet? Fun. Fun? Are you hanging out with Emberlyn? Okay, go get her. Hey! How's it? How come your hair is dry? Go get it wet. So we're at drive number 4. So this is probably going to be the last time I'm in the car. Thank goodness, because when we get Paul from work, I will have been in the car for 2 hours today. That's a long time in the car, huh, Ezzy? Did you have fun at the park playing with Emberlyn? Yeah, that was so fun. I love being outside. We were sitting in the shade. We had a little lunch, just kind of visit with Tina. And now we've dropped off my oldest son, because my other one's on a mission, but Kobe at work. And so we have about a half an hour before we would have normally left to go pick up Paul. So look where we're at. Fizz. So we just thought, that we would just get a soda and relax for a minute until we need to go pick up Paul. What do we just get? Frozen hot chocolate. Do you love those?
When we were at the water park, I was playing, and Jonas and then we were like, we were going to registers, and like they were looking through those things, like a lot of whole things, and then everyone just sprayed up on their face.
You guys were spraying each other. That's funny. So Ezra and I shared a little frozen hot chocolate. It's perfect. Did I tell you it was 102 degrees? It's a little hot out there, huh, Ezzy B? We need cold drinks, he said. Hashtag for cold drinks. Now we're gonna go get Paul. Thank goodness I am all done with driving today. So I'm just putting the rest of our dinner together. I just quickly fried those up, super easy. So I'm just gonna put it on our pan, and you already saw what I made with the meat, the Philly cheesesteak. Let me try to get this over here, and then I'm just gonna top it with some cheese, hit it in the oven, boom, dinner's done. And quite frankly, I'm exhausted and I'm starving. It just came out. It only took a couple of minutes to melt all of this, but look, Philly cheesesteak on fried potatoes. That's all gluten-free, friends. Whole ingredients, I made it all. So we're gonna dish up, and this is where I end my video for today, for our day in the life. It's not always this busy, but some days it just is, am I right? So I'm just grateful that I get to have a platform to share with my friends, and you get to see a little bit of the insides of what we do, how I do it, and what I do for my family when I'm not filming a recipe. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments. I'm just so grateful that we have good friends and good food to eat. So thanks for sticking around, and I'm so grateful to all of you. So stick around, you just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye everyone.